Welcome to Aloris Tool Technology. We're excited to offer you a special deal this May to elevate your mechanical projects. Take advantage of our discounted milling cutter sets with coolant through. Designed to enhance efficiency and performance with each cut, the end mill set includes one piece, 10 pieces of APKT inserts, and a torx key. Additionally, we offer face mills sets with one piece, 20 pieces of APKT inserts, and a torx key. If you prefer, these pieces are also available separately without any discount. It includes only the torx key, while the APKT inserts are sold separately. End milling cutters and face milling cutters are essential tools in machining processes, each designed for specific applications. End milling cutters, for example, are best for side milling and slotting, while face milling cutters are ideal for facing and profiling. Both can cut deeper and with greater precision. Furthermore, we provide CNC Tool Block sets in various options to suit your needs. Each set includes an SGIH Tool Block, an SGTBN Cut-Off Blade, and 10 pieces of GTN carbide inserts. With Aloris SGTBN blocks, you can achieve precise depth and diameter control, allowing for impeccable results in turning applications. Moreover, by incorporating Aloris SGTBN blocks into your machining setup, you can significantly increase efficiency and reduce cycle times, optimizing your workflow and maximizing productivity. Purchase any CNC block separately and receive an incredible 10% discount for a limited time. Our CCMT Boring Bars are available in sets for a complete tool set purchase. You can also buy CCMT Boring Bars separately and receive a 10% discount with your purchase. Order now at www.aloris.com. Aloris continues to offer our quick change tool post for manual and CNC lathes in sets or separately. You can choose your appropriate set at aloris.com. Contact us today for more details. Order your indexable tool post today to streamline your work. It is available in sets or individually. Spindle stops of various sizes are also part of the Aloris family to meet your needs. Today, we want to invite you to visit our second website, www.bistools.com, for the perfect tools to take your business to the next level, including drills, inserts, tool holders, reduction sleeves, scribing tools, and much more. Remember, www.bistools, with two YYBistools and S in the end.com. Check out www.aloris.com to see how Aloris can be your ideal partner in all your projects. Thank you for your business.